Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the cannot find script file error in Windows 11. If you keep seeing a pop-up message saying Windows cannot find a script file when you start your computer, don't worry. This guide is very easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start with the first and easiest fix. First, restart your computer. Sometimes this error appears due to a temporary startup glitch and disappears after a restart. If the error comes back, let's move to the next step. Now, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. A small run box will open. Type msconfig and click OK. A new window will open. Here, click on the Startup tab. Then click on Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look at the list of startup apps. If you see an app with a strange name or one you don't recognize, right-click on it and click Disable. After disabling suspicious startup apps, close Task Manager and restart your computer. If the error still appears, let's try another simple fix. Click on the Start button and search for Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler. On the left side, click on Task Scheduler Library. Now, carefully look at the list in the middle. If you see a task with a missing file or an unknown script, right-click on it and click Disable. Close Task Scheduler and restart your PC again. If you're still seeing the error, let's do one more easy solution. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall any program you recently installed before this error started. Some incomplete or removed software causes this script file error. After uninstalling, restart your computer. And finally, here's one important step. Make sure Windows security is turned on and up to date. Sometimes malware or unwanted programs create broken script files. Run a full scan if possible. And that's it. This is how you fix the cannot find script file error in Windows 11 using simple and safe steps. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.